everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I am Amina and today is the battle 2, or we can say day 2 of solving CSS battles. So in the last video, we have solved this CSS battle. So if you have not seen that video, the link is in the description, and today we are going to be solving this CSS battle. Okay, so let's get started. So here it is, the CSS battle, and first let's remove all the comments. We have 4 divs over here. One is yellow, one is orange, one is pink, and one is purple. So first we will give a class to Y. We'll just write the initials to the class. Now we'll do Alt Shift down 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and let's write here O for orange and P for pink, and let's write PU for purple, so that it will not be the same class, right? And let's target our Y, and let's set the first color, so we can easily identify that this is the yellow color. Okay, here is the yellow color, and this square is not enough, right? So what I think is the width should be 300 pixels, but it's not. So let's do for 400 pixels. Okay, I think it's perfect, but the margin is like, we have not set the margin for 0, so we'll do this and we'll write here margin to 0, right? So now it's perfect. And also basically this means this will apply to the whole project, right? And after that, this height is also not valid, so what I think is this will be the half of this. So let's set it for 50%, right? We have completed this. I think it's perfect, right? Okay, it's perfect. If you want to check that it's perfect or not, you can just tick mark here div, right? Now we'll copy this and we'll paste it in here, and we'll write here O, right? So that we can style this orange color, and we'll copy this orange color, we'll paste it in here, and I think these both are same. Let's check it. Okay, there is nothing, so this is perfect. Now we'll copy this again and we'll paste it in here, and what I think is we'll do P, because we have to style it pink color, right? So we'll just copy this color and we'll paste it in here, but the height is not perfect, so what I think is it should be 100 pixels. Here is 100 pixels, and it's perfect, I think. Let's check it out. Okay, it's perfect, and let's copy this and we'll just paste it in here, and we'll write here U. Okay, and we'll just change this color to purple, right? Here is purple, and let's see if it's perfect. Okay, it's perfectly done. Now let's see what happens if we submit this. Okay, we are 100% match. Now I'm seeing one thing, that this code is a bit long. We can make it shorter, right? So what we can do is, here we can see that all width are same, right? And here yellow and orange's height is also same, and pink and purple's height is also same. Okay, it's common, right? So what we can do is, we can just do a space here and we can add a S over here, or let's add a W over here to set the width, right? Don't worry, right now I'm gonna explain it. Okay, now in this style we'll target this W, and what we'll do is we'll copy this width and we'll just paste it in here. Now it is applied in all the colors, right? If we'll just delete from all the colors, nothing is gonna happen, right? The code is being shorter than before. See, now also we'll submit, it will give us 100% match, right? So this was the part where we can make the code a bit shorter. We can just write here H1, and here also we'll do H1, and in this one we can do H2. Similarly, in the down one we'll do H2, right? Now we'll target this H1, right? we'll target this h1, and what we can do is we'll just copy this height 50 pixels, and we'll delete this height from both of it. Right now let's do h2 dot h2, and we'll just copy this height, right, and we'll do it here. So this code is being shorter. I hope you are understanding it well. Now let's submit it and let's see what's the result. We are 100% matching, but you know what, the code is being more shorter than normal, than before one, right? So this is a trick to make the code shorter, and let's go to the leaderboard and let's see who is in the top. So the top one is for 82 characters and we are on 380 characters. So there is a trick. Don't use it in real world, but we can just use it here. We can just delete this style and we can decrease our letters. Now also we'll submit. This will give us 100% match. And if we'll go to tips and tricks, then this will show us that how to decrease the code. Okay, so this was an example that you can do it. Hopefully you are cleared with it, and that's it for today, everybody. If you like this video, then definitely share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.